How to add friends in Monopoly Go? Let's get started. Launch your Monopoly Go app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. At the bottom, you will find different options. Click on the option of friends. Now head towards the add friends section. At the bottom, you will get two options, contacts and invite. You can use these options to add friends. Firstly, click on the option of contacts. Click on add contacts. Now over here, you'll need to type in the number of the person whom you want to add in your Monopoly Go account and then click on the option of continue. With that, invitation link will be sent. After person accepts the invitation, the person will be added as friends in your Monopoly Go account. Again, click on friends option, click on invite. Now you will get two invite options. Click on the first invite option. You can use this social media platform to invite friends to your Monopoly Go account and add them. Messages, Messenger, Snapchat, Instagram and so on. Likewise, clicking on this another option invite. You can directly invite your Messenger friends to your Monopoly Go account. After they accept your invitation, you can easily add them. So this is how you can add friends in Monopoly Go. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.